All right, wonderful people, we are here today at the lovely and beautiful Fremont Skate Park. And we have a brand new pair of Vans shoes, a brand new Revive skateboard with independent trucks, brand new wheels and bearings. And we're gonna give this away along with these shoes. Maybe different people, maybe the same people. We have a very, very, very special guest all the way from
New Zealand.
And your name is?
Isaiah.
And tell your entire story, because you have a pretty incredible story that I think will inspire other people to skate and create.
I started skateboarding like three and a half years ago. Actually, I started scootering first. Realized how annoying scooter kids were, and then I got into skating. I was skating like once a week, and then it just got more and more, and I just loved it. Love it, and I just can't give it up. I'm obsessed with it. And I've got a throat tumor, and I have to have surgery like every 6 weeks.
Every 6 weeks,
yeah,
all right?
Or longer. I've gone like 14 weeks, but average is 6 weeks.
Wow, and how long have you had that for?
Since I was 7, it's like 7 years.
So do you feel like skating helps you to like get your attention off of that and get out of there? Feel like skating helps you with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
That's awesome. So you're gonna do some tricks for us?
Just takes my mind off like heaps of stuff.
Yeah.
Skateboarding, it's just great. When you skate, it's all you can think about.
That's right. That's why I love skating. Boom. Well, thank you so much for sharing your incredible story. Yeah, can you do some tricks for us in this video?
Yeah, where?
Anywhere. We're gonna go around this whole park and we're gonna ask people to do tricks, and we're gonna see if we can find the worst board and the worst shoes, and then we're gonna have that person do some tricks. So you're the full judge on this, okay?
All right.
Okay, let's go. Sir, let me see this. Nitro Circus. How old is this thing? A couple months, he says. This looks like a couple centuries. You got a trick for us?
Heel flip. I think I can heel flip.
What? Oh. First try? Any trick you got. Ollie, ride up a bank, down a bank, and literally anything. Oh, yes! You crushed it! What do you got for us? Atlas Skate Shop, one of my favorites. Ryan Motzik, shout out. Oh, so good. Let's see who else we got. It's got a chip. I don't know, this might be a contender for worst board. Yes. Can you do a trick for us, sir?
Backside air to fakie on that thingy?
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
That was confusing.
How are you the most incredible skater I've ever seen in my entire existence?
I don't know.
Let me see that board. It actually looks perfect for you. Like there could never have been a board that's more perfect. Could you do some tricks for our video?
Yeah.
Just shred it up and we'll just film you. How about that?
Okay.
You rock. How old are you?
9.
9. I quit.
Oh, sorry. Whoa! Oh!
What in the world? No. Get out.
Wow.
Oh! No! Stop! Woo!
What?
Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
Respect. All right, let's get out of here before anybody knows.
You got all that, right?
No.
I swear, like, as soon as we start filming these videos, everyone leaves.
I know.
No matter what time.
I feel like it's just a curse. Sir? Sir? Excuse me, sir? Oh, hey, sir? You got a trick for us? Tony Hawk Pro Skater 3. That was one of the better ones. What do you got?
I don't know.
He's like, I'm just chilling in my cave.
Those glasses.
Yeah, boy, you got this. Oh, no. Oh. Yay!
Did you see
that? Wait, I got your back.
Count it.
Let's see about this kid's board.
Definitely got to be the worst board I've ever seen.
Yeah.
That's messed up, man.
You got a trick for us?
What do you want to see?
I want to see this. Something's wrong with that child.
Yeah!
Woo!
That was amazing.
What do you think is like the absolute best trick that you have?
What he wants to do is the Braille drop.
Oh no, seriously?
Yes.
You want to?
I want to do a boneless off it.
A boneless off the Braille drop? Are you sure? How old are you?
14.
Oh wow. He wants a boneless the Braille drop.
Okay.
That's like a whole nother video coming soon. What are you doing? Why did he just? I asked him what he's doing. He dabbed at me. Get out of here!
Carlos, you got a kickflip, and then I just got a kickflip after.
Oh my God.
What? No! The one time I need a kickflip.
Little kid lands his first kickflip for the first time.
Absolutely.
That was your one chance to take out Carlos. And you pop shove it in. You can still go. Snake him.
All right, Carlos, if you land it, I think I'll land it.
And he does a kickflip. You're gonna do a what?
I'm gonna ollie down this thing.
Have you ever ollied it?
No.
Never. Have you ollied off that?
I don't think I've ollie off that before.
Ollie off that, then this. If you do your first ollie ever down 5, it will be a moment in history.
You're gonna need some of this.
Okay, let's go. First person to land the ollie down the 5, respect. Wow! I feel like he's got that. I feel like he's got that. Tell me your whole plan here.
So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump off and then try and land on my board.
That is scarier than an ollie. What is he doing? What?
I'm gonna do a weird trick down it.
Do lots.
What? Aaron, I'm gonna
Down the 7.
I'm gonna need you to try that.
Get out. Okay, let me try it. No way. Gabe, just stand up here and stand on the board. There's no way I can do that. Wait, I can do it. Let me try it here.
Whoa!
One stair. Special. Oh yeah, boy! His bushings are 100 years old. Literally 100 years old.
really?
Yes.
No, it's at 100 euro.
100 euro, that's what I said. That's right, that's right.
There you go.
First try! I
don't think you can do that.
No, I can't.
The other day Mario asked him to do that, and then he was just like, oh, I got that, and did it in like 4 tries.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you got that!
Alright, I'm gonna try like a no comply, like triple, quadruple tray flip. I don't even know what it's gonna be.
What? I feel exactly the same way. Wow.
More or less what I was expecting.
Yeah.
He's like this close, this close.
Jeez, Uzi?
Uzi of the Walker comes out of nowhere.
Dude, that is so sick.
These trendy kids come out of nowhere with the hardest tricks known to man.
Oh!
I was this far away.
Oh my gosh!
Oh. I don't know how you get on a skateboard again after that.
You don't.
Oh!
Clearly watch the how to fall video because that was a perfect scorpion.
It really was. Right here, next shot.
You're killing it. You got this. Yeah.
Oh!
You have to give him the board if he lands at this guy.
You think so?
Might not be the worst, but he's like freshing himself.
He's crushing it. That's for sure.
Oh! You think he's got it?
Yes. It's literally like Terminator 2. If you turn into liquid titanium, I won't be surprised. If you don't bail, you're fine. Leave your feet on, then you won't land primo or anything else. Right here, I'll give you the board, you land it right here. Full complete. Oh my gosh. You're literally this close.
Wait, I just saw something very funny.
What? Just some kids chilling at the park?
It's hot.
You got it.
Oh! Yes! Okay, that was beautiful. Well, what do you think? You're fully judging this.
Let's see his board though. It looks pretty new actually. Looks like it's probably like a week old.
He said, yeah, that's like brand new.
For my birthday.
Well, would you prefer my shirt? Clearly doesn't fit you. We'll give you something.
Can you sign my helmet?
I will sign your helmet. Boom! He literally has the exact same shoes.
I got these like a week ago as well.
Okay, there's that one guy who was doing incredible tricks that was gonna do a trick for us. Oh, you ready? Yeah, boy. No! That was the sickest thing I've ever seen ever in the ever of the history of ever. Do some tricks in here for us. I know you got it. Same?
Just do a majority of them on this side, all right?
He's gonna do a trick on that corner right there.
Jeez.
What in the Hachabana? Wow.
You think you could ever do that if like you actually tried?
Ever?
Yeah.
I would go to Woodward and spend about 6 to 7 years there practicing on the pads, and then yeah, I could probably. All right, let's get this mini ramp.
Give me the luck of the gab.
Right here. Wow.
Slaying it. So what's a trick that you've never done in this before?
Lots of tricks. I've never been to the skate park before.
Anything you think is feasible, but something you've never done, you know?
Nollie, front shove, front rock.
Let's go. So good, let's go. What? Yeah! Woo! Man down!
Oh!
Oh! Wow!
It was sketch, but it counts.
It was not sketch, and it totally counts. Well, what do you think? Who do you think wins the board?
Look at that guy.
Yeah. What in the just happened there? I mean, that was pretty good, but it was nothing compared to your tricks. Just take this. Just take it all. Just take it. Yeah. Just take it. Yes. If the shoes don't fit, take it to a skate shop and have them flip it out.
You were planning that all along, really.
No. No, we were not.
Thank you so much.
You rock. Keep skating. You're an inspiration to us all. Give me the high five.
What size are these
Yes.
shoes?
They're 10.5.
They might fit, I don't know.
If they
Try them.
don't, like I said, they're brand new. You can take them to a skate shop, they'll flip them out. Same with
Thank
the
you
board.
so much, though.
You're really inspirational,
As long
you
as
know?
I can skate.
You've been through a lot and you're still skating. A lot of other kids out there need that inspiration. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, if you want us to see us do this one again, hit that like button and leave a comment below. Leave a comment with your favorite absolute part in the video. And don't forget the hashtag notification squad. You leave the hashtag notification squad down there, we'll be sending out a special prize package, randomly picking one of the comments and just shooting that out to one of you guys. But yeah, really excited to be out here to support the skate community and guys like you. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and definitely click on the next playlist to go to all the other videos. You guys will love them. They're an absolute blast. See you tomorrow, 10 a.m.